Hi everyone. If your store hosts numerous products, finding the items that you uploaded some months or a year ago can be tricky, since a lot has happened in that period of time and several products have been added. Fortunately, there is a way to simplify the process to a few clicks. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to find products in any range of date using the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, which includes powerful tools to perform advanced searching among your products. You can find a link for downloading the plugin down in the description of this video. Once open, you will see this spreadsheet. Move to the upper toolbar and open the search tool. You can use these fields to filter your products by any search criteria that better fits your needs. For now, let's leave the fields empty and tick on the Advanced Filters checkbox. Once the new fields are displayed, scroll down to the date range fields. In the first field, click over the calendar icon and set your initial date. Now move to the second field and select the final date. Once you are done, click Run Search. As you see, the date filters applied to your items are displayed above the spreadsheet. Now, you might be wondering, but how do I search for the products uploaded a year ago, in a certain category? Well, the process is actually pretty simple. Once you open the search tool, use any of these fields to filter your products according to your needs. In this case, I'm going to look for the men category. Now, let's activate the advanced filters, and scroll down to the date range fields. Input your initial date. And input your final date. Now click Run Search to apply your filters. It is also possible to search for items with a certain price, uploaded within a defined date range. Move to the search tool and activate the Advanced Filters checkbox. For this example, I'm going to search for all the products with a price of $50 uploaded since January 2020. In the field box, enter regular price. Enter equal as your operator. And in the value box, enter the price you want to look for. In my case, it will be $50. Now, scroll down to the date fields and input a timeline. Mine will be from January 2020 to January 2021. And finally, run search. As you see, only the products matching your search criteria will be displayed, and the filters used for the search will be displayed above the spreadsheet. Super easy and with no complication. Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.